Tanaw na ko nga dili mayo ang hitabo sa iya government dahil I want to show my support sa iya Diyo tagaan o tapas na loob para lumaban against the oppressors. So sabi ko naman sa kanya, do not worry. You have earned for yourself the additional political tax. Hindi ka na matatalo niyan. Tulungan na ninyo siguro hanggang hantod sa kanusa iyang gusto. Ang sa politikan ko daggo para sa tao sa North Davao. Alam mo, there has to be a hearing or at the very least a notice na para he can seek remedial measures immediately towards it. Importante yan, the part of due process, the right to be heard or anything else is taken away from you. Yun ang kulang sila. Mabilisan eh. I'm sure that pagdating ng Supreme Court yan, iba always, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process. Nor shall any person be denied equal protection. Occasion by the rally, but yung sa kanya, maybe because he pumayag siya na magkaroon ng rally. And mind you, sa lahat ng mga munisipyo sa Pilipinas, hindi kami binigyan ng permit, clearance. So, lahat. We've been asking for it since the Cebu time of the rally in Cebu. Tacloban, kami binigyan. Of course, understandable. Pero ikot pa kami kung saan kami mabigyan. But I would just give you this warning, kayong mga local executive. Pag mag-apply ako ngayon, tapos you deny it, then I would answer back by saying, o sige, kailangan ninyo kami payagan. You better have a ready answer na itong buwan na ito. Because if you say that you are not allowed to have, I will not grant a permit for you to have the rally, that would be a gross violation of the constitutional right of assembly assembled for a redress of grievance. Bawal talaga yan. Tama ka dyan. Malalim yan. At kung marunong yung mga abogado, it could lead to your dismissal. Kayo mga mayor, you know, ito lang ang warning ko sa iyo. Kung matigok yan bukas si Marcos, kung matapos na yan, tapos politiko pa kayo, then you start to begin thinking seriously about the consequences of unfairness and actions that are not accordance with the Constitution and the laws of the land. You know, hindi naman natin madala sa madalian to kung saan. So, there's always a law that will allow you due process. We will help him in getting a declaratory relief somewhere in the judicial system. The judicial system in the Philippines is working. So, court, I'm proud to say, as a lawyer, is still the best arbiter dispute.